Hello, my name is Joel Bennett from Organizational Wellness and Learning Systems. We analyzed data from 1,500 participants in our programs, and I found so much great information I'm going to share with you now.
Taking time to evaluate stress activates a key process. Our programs help to strengthen this process. Here are the 3 basic steps. First, we note our early warning signs, whether it's tension, irritability, anxiety, a headache, grumpiness, or anything else. We stay alert to them. Having a healthy lifestyle makes noting so much easier. Second, we catch ourselves when we engage in unhealthy coping, whether it's food, acting out, sugar, alcohol, drugs, etc. Here we do a course correction and choose healthy coping options, including self-care. You can also talk with coaches like those trained in our coach training programs. Third, the previous processes may not always work so well. Fortunately, our mind-body system gives us even more feedback through later warning signs. This could be signs of depression, PTSD, serious negative thinking. At this stage, it is often critical to get outside help, and we do everything to support referral to mental health counseling. The good news is that all of us can note, catch, and watch at any time in all these paths. What's the bottom line? Our research suggests that the central step is catching ourselves with compassion. We call this health consciousness. Are you health conscious? Are you resilient? What does your process look like?